On screen, title card. Narrator, here's how to safely share your Disney Plus account in just a few steps. On screen, simple mock Disney Plus home screen. Call out, Step 1, open Disney Plus. Narrator, Step 1, open Disney Plus and make sure you're signed in on your main account. On screen, zoom into profile icons row. Call out, create a profile for them. Narrator, go to the profile icon, then create a separate profile for the person you're sharing with. On screen, kid and adult profile examples. Call out, set viewing restrictions. Narrator, choose a name, avatar, and, if needed, kid-friendly restrictions for their profile. On screen, password field with lock icon. Call out, keep your password private. Narrator, important, don't share your password with people you don't fully trust. Never post it in chats or groups. On screen, phone and friend icon, text bubble, all set up your profile. Narrator, when possible, set up their profile yourself instead of sending your login everywhere. On screen, device icons row. Call out, check device limits. Narrator, Disney Plus lets you stream on multiple devices at once, but there is a limit. On screen, number 4 above devices, subtle caution icon. Narrator, too many people watching at the same time can stop playback. Share with only a few trusted users. On screen, settings gear icon, submenu, device management. Narrator, if you think too many devices are using your account, go into settings and review connected devices. On screen, list of devices with remove buttons. Call out, sign out devices you don't recognize. Narrator, sign out any devices you don't recognize to keep your account secure. On screen, password change screen. Call out, change password if needed. Narrator, if someone misuses your access, change your password and share it again only with trusted people. On screen, recap checklist, profiles, password safety, device limits with check marks. Narrator, create profiles, protect your password, and manage devices, so everyone enjoys Disney Plus safely.